Happy New Year! It's a white New Year.
We got history, got me feeling.
Hi guys, good morning. So I want to go to Akihabara today. Yeah, it will be my first time going to Akihabara. And surprisingly, I just came out and saw snow. Like major snow. Last year January it wasn't like this, so just a little. I showed you guys the other video, but this year is so serious. Oh my god, help me open my own leg. Yes, look at the snow. Oh, it never snow like as in since we come. You get one time Madam Mata say it snow well. Happy New Year! It's a white New Year, yeah.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
It's a white New Year in Tokyo. I don't know. That same thing that happened last year, January. I plan to go out though. I do makeup. I don't even know say if there's snow. That's why I did not go out again. Same thing today too. It's slippery. So I just arrived at Akihabara station. Yeah, it's a snowy day in Tokyo. White New Year in Tokyo. Happy New Year! Yeah, so this year I plan on exploring more of Tokyo. Go around, see so many different places, do things, have fun in Tokyo. Yeah, so in this channel we're going to be seeing more of Tokyo this year. Yeah, hopefully I get a new camera. I don't know yet, but hopefully that happens. I get a good editor. Yeah, so we can get good quality videos. Happy New Year! How are you enjoying your New Year so far? This is the first video of the year. Yes, I'm so excited to begin the year. Yeah. I'm so excited to begin the year, and I'm so glad for everything. Thank God for life. Yeah, so we came to check out phones. Yeah, we're looking for where to see